Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the reports and report writing. So in our reporting module, our standard reports is a list of our standard reports, the canned pre-made system reports that are available to you to use. You'll notice that generally when you come into the standard reports, there's probably already a long list of reports here. These are reports that you may have run in the past or reports that we have run for you. Once you add a report to this report list, it does not go away. But that doesn't mean that just because you do not see a report here, that the report does not exist. Because if you press the Add Report button, we have a long list of hundreds of reports that are available for you to use and run. I did include a list of the most commonly and best used reports for certain things. So I know that it's very difficult to tell sometimes by this list exactly what a report may do. Some of them are self-explanatory like job costing, and some of them aren't as clear. Again, I put commonly used things. If you want to see employee pay detail, you can start with these different reports. So hopefully that helps as a guide. You can also create folders on this screen. I love the folder option because there may be reports that you use on a regular basis and you don't want to have to scroll down this long report list and find it. Maybe you have different sets of reports that you use for different things. You can always come in and configure a folder for yourself by just pressing the Add Folder button and giving the folder a name. Once you add the folder, your screen will refresh and that folder will be on your report list. And all you have to do is simply drag the applicable reports into that folder. And now you always have that folder there for your reference, and the reports are grouped the way that you want them grouped. So I've seen clients, a lot of you have to go through every so often and perhaps audit your accruals. So they'll put their favorite accrual reports. They'll put the different reports that they use for bank reconciliations and tax things, and they'll just group them all together so they're an easy reference and they're easy for you to find. Once you update report settings, those report settings are saved. So you'll always be able to, if you like your payroll register in alphabetical order and you set it up to display that way, every time you come into the standard report, that report setting will be saved. So that's where the folders help out a lot too, because if you filter by department, if you have any special settings, then those settings are preserved and you don't have to start from scratch every single time that you want to run that report that you run on a regular basis.